We are making our way up Wilson past some of the cute shops and restaurants here. It looks like a lot of booths are being set up down at Railroad Square.
You gotta pay for my picture.
You're a superstar.
Dutch boys, coffee.
Dutch Brothers.
Oh, Dutch Brothers.
Yes.
I met those guys. They gave me a Dutch rub.
It's nice to see somebody that's happy. Okay, so this is where the cars are going to be. Don't know how many are going to be here. Let's head over.
Hi, Rosie. I know you're an audiophile.
Yes,
In your post.
among other things. Thank you. Boy, it's incredible to be a celebrity, isn't it? Cross over. Look at this beautiful. Nice. There's some good iron here. Come right in. Wonderful Snoopy. Of course, Charles Schultz lived here for decades and did his comics here. Let's take a look and see what they got. A 53 Packard. This was sort of the end of the line for Packard. Beautiful Cadillac here. This looks like a Plymouth to me. 1947 Plymouth. Oh, this is beautiful. The 1941 Lincoln Zephyr. I think this is a 12-cylinder, I believe. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 on each side. V12. Pretty rare, pretty cool.
So you put just some of the books up.
This looks like a Studebaker Commander. 1939. Pickup truck.
Germany for the most part.
Oh, is that right?
Oh yeah. They're much more fuel efficient.
Studebaker Coupe Express. Or as they used to say in the 30s, a coupe. And wow, look at this. Holy smokes, this is a V12. I wish you had the hood open on this. This looks like a Lincoln Zephyr V12. Wow. That thing's got to be worth a fortune. This looks like either a Cord or a Duesenberg here. Coffin. They used to talk about the coffin nose. Look like a coffin.
You know that we planned breakfast around this person.
This is a Cord convertible. Boy, are these worth a lot.
Did you? Oh yeah. The last time.
Those exhaust manifold pipes. Wow.
Oh, and we ended up going on not that. I never bought it.
What a vehicle. Wow. It's like the last days of Cord too in the Great Depression. But you can see why they called it a coffin nose. Oh, and look at this with the rumble seats. Pretty cool here.
No, but I said like.
Check it out.
It's just where we used to go when we cut. But actually, they do roast coffee in there. Though, just so you have to go local. You're in Rapids.
1930 Ford Model A. This is what I would like to have. Nice rumble seats. Be a lot of fun to ride along. It's like the Waltons. I wonder if this was Luther Burbank's original vehicle. This looks like another Ford. Note, this is Dodge Brothers Estate Wagon, 1926. The old emblem for Dodge Brothers. Wow. I guess we'll just keep talking. What the heck? Guy's playing a saxophone along to a track. That's 1954 Kaiser Manhattan. Never heard of it. This looks like a good old Buick here, but it's like a Buick. No, it's Olds 88, I guess. Look at this thing. Yep, Oldsmobile, 1954. Another Olds, 1955. Always put really powerful engines in Oldsmobiles. Ford, what's this? Ford Sunliner. I believe this is the one. Fairlane. I believe this is the one that the trunk opens. No, I guess not. I thought it was the one that the trunk opens and the convertible top disappears. Ford Matic, so it's one of the early automatics too. Ooh, look at this Thunderbird. Ooh, wow. V8. I wish the hood was open on that one. 1955. Boy, that's a real, that's the real deal right there. Beautiful. We got another Thunderbird here. This looks like it may be a 56. Boy, it must be fun to drive this. Yep, 1956. Look at that collar. Oh, and this is, oh, the Lincoln, baby. 1956 Lincoln. That's a beast, huh?
It is. I said, I can't believe we drove around.
How would you like to park it?
How did we ever park it?
Wow. It's like the 10 miles to the gallon. The old spare tire humps. Very cool. Now this I have no idea. I've seen this used in advertisements, local ads. This is a BMW Freda? Isetta. Pretty weird. Wild vehicle. 61 Morris Minor. These were cute. Look at this nice, is this a Falcon? Yeah, Ford Falcon convertible. These are pretty rare. Looks like a Ford Galaxy 500. These are highly collectible. They got the 390 cubic inch. Wow, what a power plant in that. 64 Ford Galaxy. Another 390 in this. Yep. It's a Camaro, and then I think we've got a really cool Jaguar here. No, this is a Morgan. Wow, these things have a wood frame underneath of them. That's I mean, this is really a car. Wow, you just don't see a lot of Morgans.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
It's good.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. There's so many.
Unreal. All right, well, let's end our looky-loo today with a little bit of a cinematic experience.